Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly video, and it's going out on Thursday, November the 26th, North American time. And on that note, a very happy Thanksgiving to all of our American friends and their families. So, look, obviously, we're not in this game to break even, as we all know, okay? But there are times when it's prudent to do so. And in this video, I'm going to show you a trade that we took in the scalping service and why it only ended up as break even. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, we'd sure appreciate a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, let's have a look at the trade. Okay, so the trade was on the British pound Japanese yen pair, and what I liked about it, like first of all, is that we were at this pretty good level of weekly, see, it was support and resistance here, and we already rejected once off it. We hit it again. So I was looking for the possibility of a short, and on the daily chart we have resistance here and again here, and it was hitting it again. And I like the reaction even on the hourly chart. Price had a nice rotation to the downside. But in any event, and 4 hour, of course, this is our the daily 4 hour are the ones that we use for determining our key levels, and also for watching for the trend and the wave action. That's really important. So on the 15-minute chart, after we got rejected off of this level like this, on the 15-minute chart, what had happened is that we had this really sharp move down here off of all of this expected resistance, which is great. Price was going from here up to here, but the MACD was going down, and you know, we just use the MACD for kind of visibly looking at divergence, and that's the only way we use it. And so in any event, so from this high down to this low, we measured our retracement. We sold at this blue line here, and I want you to notice the price action. This is like about 4 hours of price trading above where we sold. Our stop was above here. It never got touched. This is not what you want to see. Okay, this should be having some kind of a reaction reasonably quickly, not 2 hours later. And so what I did in our scalp chat room is I just told everybody, look, I'm taking my trade off for a break even if it comes back, which it did, and I got out for break even, and I think everybody else did too. People were saying, yeah, I'm out as well. Well, then look what it did. It went back up. It would have stopped us out for a full loss before finally heading down, which is pretty annoying. I mean, too bad we didn't get this, but that's what happens, and you have to read the price action at the time when you're in the trade. You know, listen, we're not, like I say, we don't want to be taking break-even trades. That's not how you're going to, we're not here for that. But you still have to be able to read the price action and it's just prudent to do that sometimes, and this is one of those situations. Okay, well, like I said at the beginning, we're not in this business just to take break-even trades, right? But if price is not only not cooperating, but actually displaying price action against your position, like it was in this example, getting defensive can be the right thing to do. I mean, I'd sure rather take a break-even trade than lose, even though there is the possibility that, you get out for break-even and price, continues the way that you wanted it to in the first place, but without you. Well, hindsight is a wonderful thing, but in this game, we need to make decisions in real time on the fly. Okay, because there's always going to be another opportunity, and of course, capital preservation is absolutely of paramount importance. Okay, and just an FYI, in case you missed it, our Coach's Corner service is now divided into day trading, which Darko continues to run as he always has, and very, very well, I might add, and scalping, which I'm running pretty much only during the New York session. But I do, pop in during Asia a little bit once in a while as well. You can check out both the services in the link below this video or in the email that you received. Alrighty, well, thanks again to all of you for listening to these videos. We really appreciate it, and happy Thanksgiving once again to our U.S. friends and their families. Take care, be safe, and we'll see you next week.